Why do you still feel empty, even when you're doing everything right?
You work hard. You improve yourself. You check every box society asked you to check.
But deep inside, something feels missing.
If you've ever felt this, stay with me. Because what you're about to hear might explain the part of your life no one ever discusses.
You know that feeling? You achieve something, people congratulate you, you look successful on the outside.
But when you're alone at night, staring at the ceiling, there's a quiet, heavy emptiness inside you. Why am I not happy?
Here's the truth. You're not broken. You're just living a life designed by others, not by yourself.
That slow, silent mismatch creates a deep emotional emptiness inside you, quietly weighing on your soul.
Since childhood, you've been handed a script. School, good grades, a degree, a job, marriage, and a so-called happy life.
But no one ever said this path brings real happiness. It only brings approval from others.
You followed every rule perfectly, yet your heart feels empty because you ignored your own voice the entire way.
You're alive, but you're not truly living your life. Every step follows someone else's plan, not yours.
People love giving advice. Just stay busy, distract yourself, work harder, it'll go away. But it doesn't.
Emptiness appears when you stop feeling your own emotions, hide your pain just to look strong, or bury your real dreams to fit in.
You spend your life proving yourself to people who don't even care. Eventually, your soul gets tired.
It doesn't scream. It doesn't fight. It just becomes quiet. And that quietness feels like emptiness.
But listen, feeling empty is not a failure. It's a message.
Stop living their life. Start living yours.
Emptiness is not the end of you. It's the beginning of your real self.
Fixing this feeling isn't as complicated as people think. You don't need a $1 million routine, and you don't need a motivational guru.
You need 3 simple things. Number 1, radical honesty with yourself. Ask yourself, what do I actually want?
Not what your parents want, not what society wants, what you want. Most people run from this question. Don't.
Number 2, a small rebellion. Do one tiny thing every day just for you. Something creative, something alive, something that feels like you. It could be writing, drawing, learning something, anything that reconnects you to your real self.
Number 3, permission to feel. Stop pretending you're okay. Stop forcing strength.
Let yourself feel hurt, confusion, and fear. Because once you feel it, you can finally heal it. You're not empty because you failed. You're empty because your soul is asking for attention.
And the moment you start listening, your life begins again.
Welcome back to yourself. Welcome to Grind Logic.
If this journey spoke to you, then join us and be part of something real.
Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and step deeper with us here at Grind Logic.